Hi, I'm Miss Alex, and welcome to my STEAM classroom. I have been a STEAM art and social studies teacher for the better part of 10 years to literally thousands of young people from preschool to high school, and now I'm really excited to be a part of Young Scholars Academy. As a former gifted student and a neurodiverse adult, it is my goal to create a classroom where we can come together in a safe, inclusive, positive environment, face new challenges together, and learn and explore the world. In this science class, we will be exploring the realm of chemistry in our everyday lives, in the world around us, the universe around us, but we'll be exploring it through a STEAM angle. STEAM stands for science, technology, engineering, art, and math. So in this class, we'll be introduced to chemistry topics. We'll explore them in all kinds of hands-on ways through games, activities, STEAM projects, STEAM challenges, and collaboration. We will be exploring fun topics from pirate ships to campfires, candy to slime, learning concepts like buoyancy, molecules, atoms, chemical reactions, the elements, and much, much more. Because of course, chemistry is all around us in our everyday lives, in the smallest things to the biggest, right? That's the first thing we think of. We think of chemistry is potions, potions, potions. There will definitely be a little bit of potion making in this class, plus a whole lot more. Thanks so much, and I hope you'll come on this adventure with me.